Ayush Kumar Maravi and Swapnil Singh Bargahi. Shubhendu Pandey got selected for MBBS through NEET 2019. Our students secure 100% result in all the classes. In sports, Master Vivek Singh Parihar from class 12 is selected for national level football team and is going to Andaman and Nicobar for the tournament. Master Shivansh Sahu, class 11th Commerce, is selected for national level cricket team and is going to attend tournament from 27th December to 31st December in Daman and Diu. Our 19 students are the winner in state level in chess, badminton, karate, football, basketball and cricket. There is a long list of students who won several prizes in cultural program for mental, physical and moral development. Time to time, literary competitions and activities are conducted such as science exhibition, quiz, essay, speech, extempore, debate, etc. We have one teacher for every 35 students. All the teachers are highly qualified and trained. They are doing dedicated service for the students. Apart from prescribed curriculum, Vedic education is also given in school. It is important to culture the individual in such a manner that he himself lives blissfully and also contributes to the society in peace and its progress. PT, Pranayam, Yoga, Transcendental Meditation, Bhavati Dhyan and Siddhi Sutra are daily done by the students. We have 2 trained meditation and Siddhi teachers. The atmosphere of our school is spiritual due to the positive vibration of collective meditation. Transcendental meditation is the key of values, character, success, intelligence and creativity. कहा भी जाता है जो ध्यावे फल पावे, ध्यावे yani dhyan. We have 107 staff. We always try to give high moral values and culture to our students. Respected parents, the current scenario has become very challenging for all of us. We need your equal support for the students to avoid excess use of mobile, internet and TV. Strictness is very essential for the future of our children. We are doing our best for their development, but without your active support, our motive will not be fulfilled. Honorable Commissioner Sir, Honorable SP Sir, Honorable DSP Sir, TIE Sir are with us. From inner core of my heart, I sincerely thanks to all the respected dignitaries. You are the best role model for the young generation. Students are aspirant and dream to achieve higher goal. They feel honored, blessed and proud to receive award from the dignitaries like you. We are highly obliged to Honorable SP Sir. Our students need your kind advice forever. Sir has already visited our school and had a very valuable discussion with the students for their safety. I am thankful to all the parents for their active cooperation for the program. Thank you for giving us the important responsibility to build the future of your delicate children. I am thankful to all the respected media person. I am thankful to Honorable Dr. respected Shri A.K. Shivasoji. I am grateful to each and every member of staff for their dedication and hard work. I am hereby dedicating all the achievements to the lotus feet of Supreme Power, Gurudev, Maharshi Ji and our chairman, Bharat Shiksha Ratna Brahmachari, Dr. Girish Ji. With this, I give my regards to all of you. Our students are very talented, intelligent and lovely that you will feel through this program. Your clapping will motivate them to do their best. Thank you very much. Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharshi, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We acknowledge the contribution of our dedicated staff for all the activities. Our school has proved its strength and not only in the field but in academics too. Once again, thank you so much, ma'am. The role of head boy involves a lot of different aspects. First and foremost, he must be a positive role model for the rest of the year and the whole school, and therefore he must be students who are happy to accept the abide by the school's code on conduct, appearance and attitude. He will represent the school and often need to address school and other individuals at event. So now I call upon the stage Master Ruchir Jain, head boy, for the sharing his views.
Jai Gurudev to honorable guests, respected principal ma'am, dedicated teachers, respected parents, and huge gathering. I, Ruchir Jain, head boy, extremely honored, have this privilege to stand before you on this prestigious day when Maharshi Vidya Mandir is celebrating its grand annual function. As I have been studying in this school from nursery when I didn't know how to wipe my running nose. Now, where I am standing, this is because of our prestigious school's efforts which made me worthy to be a head boy of the school. MVM School Award. Keep going forward, opening new doors and doing new ways because we are curious. This curiosity leads us to discover new paths to attain sunsets, and best feature of our school is regular transcendental meditation builds us in same way. Our school back-to-back years as in imparting the education to the children. This day is also going to be witnessed in showcasing of the talents of young minds of our school. Our school provides discipline, sacrifice, creativity, confidence, and the ability to believe in the impossible. I am proud to be an MVMian and getting inspirations of knowledge and perfection. I am blessed having such our principal ma'am who always supports us and inspires us to go in the right direction. It gives me immense pleasure on this spectacular occasion to show gratitude to our guests and an honor and privilege to MBM students to showcase their skills at your gracious presence. I am thankful to all my sincere teachers for giving such moral and spiritual values which have polished and shaped me to become worthy. Today's celebration, our main attraction are our fellow students. Now they are enthusiastic to showcase their skills. I request you all to please bless us. Thank you. Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharshi.
Thank you, Richard. Now we request respected and honorable Commissioner Sir to permit us to start the program.
मैं महर्षि विद्या मंदिर शहडोल के सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम एवं पुरस्कार वितरण समारोह के विधिवत शुभारंभ की घोषणा करता हूं।
Thank you, sir. We take the pride and honor to welcome you all to celebrate this show best with the consent of God. So moving towards the first program of today.
Afternoon, Adab, Sat Shri Akal, and Namaskar to all present here. Maharshi Vidya Mandir welcomes you all. Myself, Sparshi Vastav, and I am Ashwin Chaturvedi. Hey, look, our parents have come. Yes, they have come. They are punctual. But tell me, Spurs, why you are always late to school? Because of the signboard near the road. Signboard? What signboard? Yes, the signboard said, "School ahead, go slowly." Oh my God! And what about Sunday? Sunday? I love Sunday. Hooray, hooray, it's a holly holiday. Hooray, hooray, it's a holly holiday. Okay, now let's see how our nursery kids are enjoying Sunday. Teachers in support are Archana ma'am, Neetu ma'am, Upma ma'am, Neelam ma'am, Jyoti ma'am and Madhuri ma'am. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Shuffle your feet, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक, लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक। हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा।
छुट्टी है and I, Janvi Dubey. Welcome you all. आवारा भवरे जो हौले हौले गाए, फूलों के तन पे हवाएं सरसराए. Janvi, where is it this song? Vaidehi, do you know? Just living is not enough. One must have sunshine, freedom, and a little flower. Yes, you are right, Janvi. Look deep into the nature, and then you will understand everything better. Yes, nature always wears the color of his spirit. It is a precious gift to all of us living on earth. Nature has variety of beautiful birds, seasons, rain, flowers, skies, and many more things. Yes, so it is our responsibility to keep the nature clean and protect it from any harm. तो आइए हम आपको प्रकृति की गोद में ले चलते हैं, जहाँ धूप है, छाँव है, चिड़ियों की चहचहाहट है और संगीत है. Yes, you are right, Janvi. Teachers who put their efforts are सपना मैम, पूजा शुक्ला मैम, प्रतिभा गुप्ता मैम, रवीना मैम, निहारिका मैम and श्रद्धा मैम. So please put